report you ain't checking in. Right here with a 2020 Chevy Traverse, 2020. Show you guys how to take off this trim panel, this handle, and the mirror. Enough said, let's get to work. Y'all see that piece right there? Go and take the piece out of there. Alright? Let's use a small flathead screwdriver. Pop that piece out. The next one down here, pop that piece out. Right there, pop it out. That's number 7 socket right there. And the screw down there, alright? Number 7. Look like, bam, number 7. That's what those look like, number 7. Alright? Take those out. There's 2 down here, there's 2 of them. See? There's 2 of them down there. All right. See, you do your flathead screwdriver. You're gonna put this thing in the crease and pop this piece out. All right. You're gonna pop that piece out, and you're gonna push that clip right there and take that piece out. Now you're gonna use the same flathead. You're gonna put it in the crease right here and pull the trim panel towards you. Get the clip puller as well. Put it in and pull it. See that? You pull it. Now that's loose. You're going to put it up now. That's how you do that. Then you take off the wire loose. All right. Don't loose that yet until you take out the handle. Just let it rest there, okay? Let it rest. You're gonna move this piece. Take that piece out. All right. Y'all see those 2 screws? Those are 2 number 10. Those 2 screws is what's holding the mirror. All right. But first thing first, unplug the wire for the mirror. Now take them 2 screws out of there. 1. Before you move that one, you want to hold the mirror so you won't drop it. Take it out. Oh, there's another one that's holding it. The 3rd one. All right, guys. Y'all see this piece right here? This rubber. Go ahead and set it back because it's hiding the screw behind it. Set that piece back. It gives another screw that is right in the corner. Hold the mirror and take it out. It's right there. It's right in the corner. Now you hold it and shake it out. All right? That's how you do that. Yeah? Now let's take out that handle. And right there. Now see that piece? Take it out. The T27. There's a screw inside there. You're gonna turn that screw to the left. See that? Right there. Turn it to the left. Remember, these handles are tricky. You gotta go left, right, left, and right. Okay? So you're gonna hold this in your hand. First, you're gonna go left with it first. Gonna go left. Once you go left, you're gonna feel it loose, okay? And when you use a flathead screwdriver, you're gonna put it in the crease. You're gonna take it out. Okay. After you go left, take that piece out. Now you're gonna turn it back right. You're gonna go back right with it, right. All the way in. Go back all the way in. You're gonna hold this piece out. See the handle? Hold it out and screw it in. Okay? Okay, when it screws in, it pops out. Stick to that, it pops out. Now the handle is of a wire. Just push this piece back and go up on the knee there and unplug the wire. Okay? That's how you do that. All right, now we got the handle loose. Let's take this piece off of there. All you gotta do is push that there's a black tab right there. Push the black tab down and push the silver top, the gray top up. And it comes off. All right? This guy right there. Push that piece down and pull this piece up and it comes loose. All right. To lose this wire, there's a red tab. You're gonna see a red tab. You're gonna push the red tab back, and you're gonna squeeze in that piece, the black piece, and it comes out. Right. Okay. Damn, trying to break my damn foot. Okay, guys, that's how you do that. It comes out. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm gonna show you guys something that is very important. When you guys go back to put back this handle, y'all see this piece right here? This piece right here, that metal piece. This handle right here, this piece right here, this section right here sits between that piece. That's what opens the door. In order to put this handle between that piece, you're gonna use a flathead screwdriver or use something flat, right? You're gonna push it in that hole right there. Push it in that hole. And you're gonna push the piece out. Okay? Gonna push that piece back right there. See it? That piece is in there. You're gonna push the piece back. You're gonna push that piece back all the way. Come on, man. You're gonna push it back. That's a use of. right there. You see it? You want it just like that, and then you're gonna slide the handle right inside of there. Okay, or and next way you could do it, get a piece of string, a small string, and tie it around that piece and pull that piece towards you, hold it, and then slide in the handle. Okay, that's how you do that.